Welcome to WebStylePlus. When we are prototyping or working on projects, we frequently use local files to store data. Sometimes it's a JSON file, and other times it's a JavaScript file. But have you ever wondered why we choose one over the other? In this video, we will explore the benefits and drawbacks of using data in JSON versus JavaScript files. These are two data files containing same information but in a different way. One is data.json file, the other is data.js file. So JSON files contain static data. It can be a limitation when we need to generate data dynamically or perform operations like filtering or sorting within the file itself. Here the data is static and fixed. It contains no logic. JavaScript objects, on the other hand, can contain functions and can generate data dynamically. For example, here the age is being generated dynamically each time the file is run. So here data can contain logic and be dynamic. JSON files cannot include computed properties or functions. In JavaScript file, you can use JavaScript to compute values, create randomized data, and manipulate the data before serving it. For example, generate random age function that is generating random age. And this thing is not possible with a JSON file. The JSON file is limited to representing data in a fixed and a specific structure. In contrast, a JavaScript file can export objects, functions, and other types of values, allowing more complex and flexible data representations, like this getUsers by role function. When using a JSON file, the data is often read and parsed at runtime, which can introduce some performance overhead, especially with large datasets. On the other hand, a JavaScript file can be executed directly by the JavaScript engine. JSON format does not support comments, making it harder to annotate or document the data within the file. A JavaScript file allows comments, which can be useful for explaining the structure or purpose of specific data elements. Although commenting is not such a big issue, JSON files are purely data files and do not allow any interactivity or logic. In contrast, a JavaScript file can include interactive elements such as conditional logic, loops, or functions to generate or modify data on the fly. That being said, while it looks like in this case JavaScript data file is a winner here, JSON data file is equally important. JSON can be created and used or consumed by many other programming languages. You can also send the JSON directly over HTTP, but with JavaScript, you cannot do that. So having the data in JSON file makes it more portable in case you want to port to another language or platform. Also with JSON, data is separate from application logic and that is recommended. JSON is a simple string that can be minified, converted, transferred, expanded, and used with anything you want. There are tools to convert JSON to whatever kind of thing you need, like array, object, dictionary, map, you name it. And more higher level programming languages can use JSON more or less natively or have built in converting or parsing methods. So there you go. If data does not need to be portable or used in different languages, use JavaScript. If data need to be complex and dynamic, use JavaScript. But if you need portability, simplicity, and don't need logic, use JSON. And in case you are unsure, use JSON because it's simple, flexible, and portable. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.